Alright, so imagine watching a YouTube, a movie or even a gameplay without blocking a real world. Today I'm checking out the GOOVIS ART, which is an open view wearable display. Not VR, not AR, but something very different. It's basically a personal floating screen that lets you watch content while still staying aware of your surroundings. So guys, let's unbox it and I'll show you guys how it works in a real life. It's Akos from ATech Flow, let's jump in. So as usual, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, this is what I received. The GOOVIS ART headset, the D4 media player, a zero pressure head strap, and a HC 2.0 USB-C to HDMI converter. Quick note, this exact package may different from retail bundles, so always check the GOOVIS website for the latest options. But setup-wise, this is very straightforward. No complicated calibration, no software headache. Okay, so my first impression and the comfort level. The first thing I noticed when I put this on is the weight, or honestly the lack of it. This thing is super light, around 100 grams, and with the zero pressure head strap, the weight is spread out really well. There is a breathable rear headrest, soft mesh support on the forehead. So there's no pressure of your nose or face, which is huge if you plan to wear this more than 10-15 minutes. I can already tell this is built for long sessions. Now let's speak about the open view experience. This is where GOOVIS ART becomes really interesting. Unlike VR headsets, this has an open view suspension design, meaning you see the screen clearly, but you also see the real world underneath. So you can watch a full video while doing chores, follow a match while exercising, or stay aware when traveling or commuting. And if you want to fully disengage for a second, you can flip the display up instantly, super smooth and intuitive. This feels much more practical for daily use. Now the display quality and the adjustments. So now let's talk about the screen, because this is GOOVIS' strong point. The images, sharp from center to edges. No blurry corners, no weird distortion. Even in bright environments, the screen stays clean, which surprised me. You also get IPD adjustment from 58 to 74mm and the built-in diopter adjustment from 0 to minus 3.50D. So if you are mildly short-sighted, you don't even need glasses. And if you do wear glasses, it still works perfectly. And when you pair the headset with the D4 media player, this becomes a true private mobile cinema. It has HDMI and USB-C support, around 6 hours of battery life, no phone or power bank needed. This is perfect for flights, trains, hotels or even camping. Just load your content, press play and you're good. So you can ask me, this product actually, who is it for? I can say what I like the most is how natural this feels. You are not isolated, you are not logged into a virtual world, you're just watching content in a smarter way. If you travel a lot, multitask or want a personal screen without VR isolation, this makes a lot of sense. So overall, the GOOVIS ART is a really unique product. It's comfortable, visually impressive and actually practical for everyday life, which is rare in this category. If you want to check it out yourself, I'll leave the links in the description. And a huge thanks to GOOVIS to send me this product and sponsoring today's video. It was Akos from ATech Flow, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!